Hi, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to sort out my taps on my bath. Basically the lever has sheared and I need to replace it. However, I couldn't just replace the part, I've had to buy a new tap. So to do that, I've just made sure I've matched this exactly with the old one. So this, for example, is a 3/4 inch measurement, and then from here to here across is 15 centimeters. So I just made sure that that's correct. So what I'm going to use for this is basically an adjustable spanner. It's got plastic caps over here just so that it doesn't damage the nut when I tighten it. And I'm also going to use some plumber's tape as well. So all I've done is turn my water off, turn the stopcock off, and then I've drained the system just so that no water will come out of here. I've drained the system but by turning the tap on closest to the stopcock, and that should sort it out. So first of all, I'm just going to unscrew the nuts on here and then replace this one. I have offered this up to it to make sure it is right, and it looks pretty good. There was just a bit of water that came out, but that's fine. I'll just make sure it's a bit drier and then I'll put the tape on. When I put the tape on, I'm going to make sure that I put it on in exactly the same way that I'm going to be screwing this back on, so essentially it won't come undone when I put the new nuts on. And then I'll just run my finger over the top just to trim off any excess. Then the new one should just screw straight on. Make sure that it has got the washers in there as well, just to help to seal. Make sure I've got these caps on so it's not going to scratch the nice new bits. Now, I'll put a little bit around here as well. And I'll put this new section on. I'll put it on that way because I want the hose to go that way. Great, that's that sorted. Let's test it, see if there's any leaks. There's a few airlocks just in the system. Let's check to see if this bit works. Yes, it all works. Great, that's another job done. That's fairly quick and easy. As long as you get your measurements right, turn off the water, and then it's quite an easy fix just to replace the taps. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe if you haven't done it already, and then tick the like button.